Do you like drums or flats? I'm a drums girl.
This was some of the best fried chicken I've ever had, and can you believe it happened right inside of this gas station? They are so professional, very fast and efficient. I waited about 10 minutes just to get my order.
All right, fellow big backs, look what I got. Ooh.
I ordered the number 2. Next time, I'll get there earlier so I can try their macaroni and cheese. They sold out of that, and I knew they were going to quickly sell out of chicken, so I'm grateful I even had the chance to taste this. The fries are fire.
Do you like drums or flats? I'm a drums girl, so. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it right there. Let's go in with the fry. Mmm. Really seasoned. Mmm. But the chicken, that's moist and flavorful. Ooh. This was worth the drive. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. You see steam? Probably not. Just like Cajun flavoring. Really good. Wow. That's really good. All right, one more for the road. Oh yeah. 10 out of 10. I wish the fries were crispier, but 10 out of 10.